Well, Lincoln takes in the highest amount of refugees per capita in the United States, and many of these new Americans have had professional training in their home country. Now, local companies are working to get those new Americans back into their chosen fields. 1011's Madison Pitsch has this story.
As one would expect, one of the biggest challenges facing many new Americans is vocabulary. And in professional fields like medicine, that vocabulary is incredibly specific. CNAs are in huge demand in Lincoln, and many new Americans have that medical experience. They just need to bridge the language gap.
Lincoln has needs that they can help fulfill.
29% of new Americans in Lincoln have a bachelor's degree or higher, similar to the state average. But language barriers create difficulties for these foreign professionals. For new Americans, like medical professionals, it's hard to relearn all that vocabulary.
What they need is a bridge to get from where they are now, isolated linguistically, to being ready to fill those jobs that are going vacant otherwise.
Lincoln itself is in need of workers, especially in the medical field.
Lincoln is growing. The demand for healthcare workers is increasing.
Last fall, 6 new Americans with previous medical experience enrolled in a CNA prep course.
And with the CNA program, we had 100% of the first class pass both the college course and the state certification exams.
The CNA prep course is part of a larger effort to integrate skilled workers into Lincoln's workforce. The director of workforce development says the goal is to bridge the language gap and get them back to where they used to be.
Give people the process to do it, so there's no mystery.
Bryan Health says this will benefit their staff and Lincoln.
I think that's a win-win for Lincoln, and it's a win-win for the new Americans.
Students are only admitted to that CNA prep course if they have had previous medical experience. Their classes can be offered 7 days of the week to make sure even working new Americans can attend. Next year, that class has enrolled 8.